guys, welcome back to another video. So we are going to be doing a tutorial on how I did the washing machine heart edit. So very simple stuff. I'm gonna add these pictures, and I need to add one more. So I'll be right back. Oh, now, so now I added the picture. Let me go to the end. There it is. It's not the exact one, but it's close enough. All right. So first, you want to go to combo, and this is now some extra crap. Like, we don't need multiple exports. We just need a couple. We just need one whole. What is it? One whole. Project. So first, you want to do this and add the overlay. So first, so about right here, you want to add the flash will start, and then you want to make sure it is okay. And then the splice is going to be overlay, right? Okay. Now you want to go to animations. You want to go. I think it's fade in. I don't think it's fade in. I think it is fade out. So it should there you go. So there's your first clip. And then let's just increase the size of this one. Go put it back down to like that. And 1.3. Let's put 1.3. So it should look like this. Now you want to do distort left. So yeah. Sorry, it's just a little thing I do. And we want to do distort left. You want to take this and you want to copy it. I think that's it now. Perfect. Okay, so I mean, that's a more simpler tutorial. If you're doing like the full edit for the sound, it is on my TikTok page. My edit page is linked in my last video, so look at that and it should be there. So final project should look like this. I mean, and that's really it, to be honest with y'all. So yeah. Well, bye. If I could just, okay.